Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So KeyUnity has sent over some more gear for us to take a look at. If you're not familiar with KeyUnity, they make all things EDC for your keychain, like this little carabiner slash pocket knife, which I did a video on in the past, and I will leave a link in one of those little comment cards in the top right there for you to take a look at for your viewing pleasure at a later date. But let's take a look at what they sent over this time. And they did send this stuff over at no cost to me for us to take a look at. And I just want to be 100% transparent with that there. But I will leave links to all these items, Amazon links, down in the description if you are interested in picking any of these up. So this is the KeyUnity KC00. It's a paracord keychain carabiner clip. The carabiner clip is made out of a 420 stainless steel, and the paracord right there, that's a 550 7-core paracord. I don't know how long it is, but from the video that KeyUnity made, it looked maybe like it was 2 to 2.5 feet long once it's fully unraveled. But we have a flathead screwdriver here, or pry tool. We have a metric ruler on that side, as well as an imperial on this side. Obviously, we have your typical bottle opener, carabiner, 7-hole wrench, I guess, and we have your Phillips head driver right there. Very, very strong, very sturdy feeling. It is measuring out approximately 5.7 inches. And I say approximately because the carabiner, or the paracord part of it, is all handmade, and it's weighing in at 1.14 ounces. So this is currently on Amazon for $14.99 plus 10% off. And in the box, you also get a sticker and a business card. So that is the KeyUnity KC00 paracord keychain carabiner clip. Moving along, we have the KC01 braided paracord carabiner with cord lock. And again, we get the sticker and the business card. I really like this one. This one you can attach to just about anything. You'd put your water bottle on your bag with this. You can cinch up your, say that's a water bottle. I don't think you really want to do that with a soda bottle, but now you can hook this up to a backpack. They also give you this little sticky thing you can put on the back of your cell phone. I think that's a sticky thing, but you can put it inside your case nonetheless, and then attach this to here and wrap this other side around your hand, and now your cell phone's not going to get stolen or lost. You can do the same thing with your wallet if you wanted to, but again, that is going to be a 550 nylon paracord, 7-core, 420 stainless steel, and the paracord itself is 9.84 inches long. Overall, it's going to be approximately 11.34 inches long, and again, handmade, so the lengths kind of vary a little bit. We do have that slide lock, so you're going to pick this up off of Amazon, and I think this is a darn good deal. $9.99 plus 10% off. And let's move right along. That was a KC01 braided paracord carabiner with cord lock. Next item, the KeyUnity KA02 titanium alloy key ring set, and you get your sticker, your business card, and then you also get a product brochure. Very extensive. I'm not going to show it to you because it is pretty big. But so these are going to be titanium alloy key ring set. They're made from a titanium alloy, TI-6AL-4V. And we have 3 different sizes here. A lot of their gear comes hermetically sealed in these bags, which is awesome. And I can't stress to you enough how light these things are. They almost feel like they're non-existent. But they claim that this is fingernail friendly. And we have 3 different sizes. So the large one there has an outer diameter of 1.04 inches, the medium one 0.75 inches, and 0.53 inches outer diameter. These are going for $21.99 on Amazon currently. So those are going to be the KeyUnity KA02. If you're looking for an ultra strong yet ultra light keyring that's not going to chew up your fingernails by trying to put your keys on them, this may be the option for you. It's kind of one of those deals where you buy once, you cry once. And last but not least, actually I'll put those in here so we don't lose them. Last but not least, we have something a little different. This is the KeyUnity KL01, found on Amazon for $23.99. It is a genuine leather, handmade EDC pouch. Again, we get the product brochure, and I think there's a business card in there and the sticker. But smells pretty darn good. And we have a pocket in the back here for if you want to stick a. It's brand new, so it's a little tight. But you stick a notebook back there. And we can also stick a pocket knife here. So pocket knife, and then a pen on this side here. One thing that maybe as you use it, it'll kind of patina a bit, and you do have that nice little grommet there that you can, if you wanted to, kind of like that. So that's going to be the KeyUnity KL01 pocket leather organizer. It's weighing in when it's empty 1.87 ounces. It's going to measure 5.5 inches tall and 4.3 inches wide. Made out of genuine leather. And I want to thank KeyUnity for sending this gear out for us to take a look at. It's always a pleasure to take a look at what they have to offer. I also want to thank you for stopping in and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next time.